शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपले स्वागत। सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ।
Hello friends, I am Madhuri Sanjay Rane. I am working in K.A. Bhatia Madhyamik Vidyalay, New Panvel. Friends, according to 2011 census, around 87 million living organisms are found on the earth, including land and sea. To study such a vast number, it is essential that to divide them into groups. So, groups and subgroups are created considering criteria, similarities and the differences among the living organisms. This process to divide living organisms into groups and subgroups is called as the biological classification. Robert Harding Whittaker was an American ecologist. In 1969, he divided living organisms into 5 groups. For this classification, Whittaker considered following criteria. Look at this criteria. First criteria is the complexity of the cell structure, in which the cell is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Second criteria is the complexity of the cell organism, in which the cell is unicellular or multicellular. Then mode of nutrition. Plants are autotroph, animals are heterotroph, and fungi are the saprophytes. Saprophytes means absorb their food from the dead decaying organic matter. Then lifestyle. In which the lifestyle, the plants are the producer, they produce their own food. Animals are consumer and the fungi is decomposer. And last one is the phylogenetic relationship, in which the growth of the living organisms from unicellular to multicellular or prokaryotic to the eukaryotic. This is the 5 kingdom system of classification. Living organisms, they are divided into 2 subgroups. First is the prokaryotic and another is the eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means the cell have without distinct nucleus and cell organelles. Eukaryotic means the cell have well-defined nucleus with cell organelles. Prokaryotics is divided in unicellular. Uni means one, only one cell in that organisms, and it is specialized that kingdom 1 Monera. Mono means also the one, in which the all types of the bacteria and the blue-green algae are the example of the kingdom Monera. Then eukaryotic is divided into 2 subcategories. First is unicellular and another is the multicellular. Unicellular means they have only one cell but they have the nucleus. They are eukaryotic. The kingdom 2, in which that is called as the protista, in which the unicellular organisms, they have well-defined nucleus and other cell organelles. Then eukaryotic also defined the multicellular. Multicellular means they have many cells and have a well-defined nucleus, in which they divided into 3 categories, that is kingdom 3, kingdom 4 and kingdom 5. Kingdom 3 is the fungi. Fungi is the living organism which have the cell wall, but the organisms can't perform the photosynthesis. Second is the kingdom 4, that is plantae, in which cell wall is present and organisms perform the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which in the cell there is a chloroplast is present, and with the help of sunlight, water, minerals, this cell produce their own food. That this process is known as the photosynthesis process. Last is the kingdom 5, the animalia, in which the cell wall is absent. We have studied the Whittaker's 5 kingdom system of classification, in which studied the different kingdoms, that is the kingdom of plantae and animalia. The characteristics of the kingdom we have studied in the standard 9 and the 10. Now we have learned the characteristics of the kingdom 1 Monera, kingdom 2 Protista, and the kingdom 3 Fungi. So now we learn the kingdom 1 Monera. Characteristics of the kingdom Monera is all the organisms are unicellular. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. These are prokaryotic cell without distinct nucleus or cell organism. The example of the kingdom Monera, all types of bacteria in which spherical shape is coccus, then rod-like structure is the lactobacilli bacteria and the blue-green algae. Characteristics of the Protista. Protista are single cell organism with well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. They have pseudopodia or hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella for locomotion. For example, autotrophs of the Protista, these are the Euglena and Volvox. They contain chloroplast in their cell. Another example is the heterotrophs, for example, Amoeba paramecium. First characteristic is these are non-green eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. Most of them are saprotrophs. They feed upon decaying organic matter. Their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called as chitin. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. The example of the fungi is Baker's yeast, Aspergillus. Aspergillus is the fungus on corn, then mucor, penicillium, and mushrooms. Now take your homework. Complete the 5 kingdom method of classification. Thank you.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.